traditional system installation guidelines, a curved wall. Construction of a wall of a typical contour starts as in the case of traditional straight wall with perimeter section. A special profiled perimeter section should be used. The required curve will be obtained by forming the profiled section adequately to the curved wall shape you need. Remember that the minimum diameter of a curved wall made using half blocks is 160 cm. A round wall is defined by marking the wall's contour on the floor. Fasten the cut profiled section to the floor by means of screws or expansion bolts. Screw the second part of the profiled section to the floor. Clip both parts of the section together to obtain the thickness of 8 cm again. Place the joint filler tape in the bottom of the section, making incisions on the tape to let it spread correctly along the whole section. With the typical shapes of wall reinforcement of perimeter section is made using a single 6 mm rebar. It should be tied to the clip so that the rebar does not touch the section's bottom. In a profiled section, reinforcements should reinforce outer and inner edge of the base. When using satined glass blocks to complete the wall, remember to protect the blocks against scratching during installation. Then fill the section entirely with mortar. Apply distance crosses for curved walls when laying the glass blocks on the mortar. Place the first layer of glass blocks starting from the outer edge of perimeter section. Remember to install the first layer glass blocks precisely, as the first layer will decide on the stability and correctness of completing the entire structure. Vertical reinforcement of traditional system curved wall is made by reinforcing only the outer edge of wall with single bars, remembering that reinforcement must not touch the glass blocks. Upon completing reinforcement of the first layer, stop the works to let it bind with mortar. After 24 hours, perform horizontal reinforcement by tying single horizontal rebar to vertical rebars. Then, upon completing reinforcement of the first layer, start installation of the second layer. Check the level and vertical alignment of the wall systematically. Similarly to straight walls, you may only install 4 layers of a curved wall to let the structure bound firmly. To keep all technical requirements, works consisting in installation of 9 layers should be spread over at least 3 days. After such period, the curved wall is ready for finishing works. Finishing works include preparation of the wall to grouting and finishing of the outer edge. To prepare the wall for grouting, remove the ends of distance crosses. Always perform these works prior to grouting. Then prepare grouting mortar. It may be claroglass mortar or any other mortar adequate for joint width. Grout is shaped after removing protection foil. Upon expiry of a time required for the mortar to bind, remove any excess of the mortar using special sponge. Wash the glass block wall with clean water to entirely remove white layer of mortar from glass blocks. Outer edges of glass block walls may be finished using claroglass finishing tiles, the color of which matches the glass blocks we offer. The tiles are fastened with claroglass mortar by spreading it all over the tile surface. Regulate the distance between the tiles using tile distance crosses. The width of crosses should reflect the width of joint between blocks.